Class 8th Maths Understanding Quadrilateral Part 2. In Understanding Quadrilateral Part 1, we have understood that what are the polygons and what are the sum of interior angle, what is the sum of exterior angle, and many things. Today we will learn about the quadrilateral, type of quadrilateral and their properties. So let's start. Quadrilaterals. Any closed polygon with 4 sides, 4 angles and 4 vertices are called quadrilateral. It could be regular, it could be irregular. That means a closed figure which is made up of 4 sides, whether it's regular or irregular, we will call it a quadrilateral. The angles and property of a quadrilateral. The sum of the interior angle of a quadrilateral is 360 and the sum of the exterior angle of a quadrilateral is again 360. Now understand kind of quadrilaterals. There are different type of quadrilateral on the basis of their nature of sides and their angles. So quadrilateral are basically divided into 3 types: trapezium, kite and parallelogram. And parallelogram again has 3 types: rhombus, rectangle and square. So before understanding about the properties of these, we should know about the parallel line and perpendicular line. What are the parallel lines? If two lines never meet each other or never cross each other, even if we extend them up to infinity, they are called parallel line. And if two lines intersect each other exactly at 90 degree, we call them perpendicular line. So let's start with the properties of trapezium. If the quadrilateral has one pair of parallel side, then it is a trapezium. Here AD and BC are the parallel side. Here is a remark for you: if a non-parallel side, that is AB and DC, if non-parallel side of a trapezium are equal, then it is called a isosceles trapezium. Kite. If two pair of adjacent side are equal in quadrilateral, then it is called a kite. As we can see here, AB and BC are adjacent side and they are equal. In the same way, AD and DC are adjacent side and they are again equal. So what are the properties of kite? The two diagonal are perpendicular to each other. One of the diagonal bisect the other one, and angle A is equal to angle C, but angle B is not equal to angle D. Parallelogram. If two pair of opposite sides are parallel in quadrilateral, then it is called a parallelogram. In this quadrilateral, AB is parallel to DC and they are opposite sides. In the same way, AD and BC are opposite sides and they are again parallel. So we call it a parallelogram. Here are some properties of parallelogram: that opposite sides of a parallelogram are always equal. In the same way, opposite angle of a parallelogram are always equal. The diagonal of a parallelogram always bisect each other, and pair of adjacent angle in a parallelogram will always be supplementary angle. That means the sum of adjacent angle of a parallelogram will always be equal to 180 degree. So now understand the property of rhombus. If parallelogram has all 4 sides equal, then it is called a rhombus. Here AB, BC, CD and AD, all the 4 sides equal, then that means it is a rhombus. What are the properties of rhombus? A rhombus has all the properties of parallelogram and a kite. A special property is that its diagonal perpendicular bisect to each other. Rectangle. A parallelogram with equal angle and equal opposite side is called a rectangle. Here AB is equal to DC and AD is equal to BC. So what are the properties of rectangle? Opposite sides are parallel and equal. Opposite angles are equal. Adjacent angle make a pair of supplementary angle. Diagonals are of equal length. Diagonals bisect each other and all the 4 angles are 90 degree. So what is the square? A rectangle with all 4 sides equal is a square. That means it will follow all the property of rectangle, or I can say it contains all the property of rectangle. Just one property increase in it, that is all the 4 sides are equal. So it will follow all the properties of rectangle, like all the opposite sides are equal, opposite angles are equal, diagonal are equal in length and they bisect each other, and all the angle of a square are 90 degree, and one property increase in it, that is all the four sides are equal.